just left the room after watching the cat go out, watch the cat come in about this one over here, or the other one, and pulled up the shades, and I forgot my coffee on the way out. What is that? Ooh, that's a spot on the floor. Forgot my coffee. After all that. No coffee spilled. It looks like a little bit of bologna. I hate this. Hey, did you see that? This is what I do every day. I close the door. I put that little thing in front of it, so they can only open the door so much before that hits the rug and kind of slows the door down. So they don't push hard. Well, every time I can't see it, because this thing is usually over here or over here, and when I can't see that red thing, I turn my light on the desk, right here. And then I come over here and, oh, I see it. And I move it over in position. Well, this is the light switch for this light in the room. Then it means I don't have to go all the way over here, 5 feet away, to get to my desk. Yeah, I know, you heard me. No matter.